Sky Santa Mesa as we continue the Season 3 of Members League Inter Undrafted. We have here our best player of the game, Sir Charlie Ayo, with 32 points, 10 rebounds, 5 assists, and 4 steals. So ano po yung mindset mo pagpasok ng game?
Ano lang po, tiwala lang po sa teammate, tapos ano lang, galingan na po namin lagi.
So ano ang naging game plan ninyo at paano mo ito-execute?
Wala po eh, hindi kami masyado yung kawat sama ngayon na po, pag may laro na.
Sir, sino po yung inspirasyon niyo tuwing naglalaro kayo?
Si John Ford and John Ford.
Okay, lastly, anyone you would like to give a shoutout?
Diba?
Shoutout po.
Shoutout kay Gabab sa birthday ko.
And once again, our best player of the game, Sir Charlie Ayo of Team Brighton. Please like and follow our FB page, Undrafted Baloys Club.
Hindi po.